Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for best performance on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up 7 Deadly Sins Origin game on your device, and after you are logged in and taken into your game, before starting your adventure, go ahead and click on the settings button at the bottom left corner. You will now see various settings, within which go ahead and click on graphics. Here you can choose your proper screen mode as well as the resolution for your display unit. Now make sure that the frame rate or FPS is set to the highest value available and only enable VSync if you notice screen tears within your game. Now underneath within the graphic settings, you have the graphic quality preset. Click on this drop-down menu and try using the highest preset first, which is the very high preset. After choosing this preset, you can press the escape button and your settings will be applied. You can now start your game and see how your settings feel. And if you notice some performance issues, you can come back to your graphic settings and then try reducing your quality preset by one step. Then once again go back into your game and see how these settings feel. By repeating this pattern, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your gameplay. You can also manually define the presets or the individual effect qualities for various parameters within the game. Try tinkering around with these to further customize your graphic settings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.